here.
But the whole time we're here, everything's been fine till now. Father's gonna take us to the restaurant. It's drizzling a little bit, but it's not too bad. It is cold though. Whole time we're here. It hasn't rained, even though there was a forecast of rain a couple of weeks ago. This is the first time we're experiencing this, so but hopefully it's not gonna pour.
It is raining only until 9 o'clock. After that is
Oh, until 9 o'clock. Father said it's gonna rain until 9 o'clock, and then after this it's gonna be fine. I think that's Saint Peter and Saint Paul on the other side. Is that the restroom?
Yeah, you can go. Let's go.
Okay, I'll go.
I'll wait here,
I'm
okay?
gonna go to the restroom first.